Without a doubt, volatility is a defining feature of cryptocurrencies. Both extremely high and low points occur occasionally. But given that cryptocurrency is considered to have an impact on every element of our existence, nobody can predict how the sector will grow and what the future will bring. However, cryptocurrencies are here to stay, and Cardano is gaining popularity. There are consistently bullish headlines regarding Cardano ADA, and latest reports indicate that it is likely to increase by 15 times. Can anything halt this incredible momentum, then? Let's watch the video to find out, then. As always, make sure to finish the movie to make sure you don't miss anything. The Bitcoin industry sometimes seems to be flooded with fly-by-night enterprises. For instance, Dogecoin, which was made as a joke and quickly became one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies, was founded. It is commonly held that there are only two types of assets in the cryptocurrency world, those that have already moved and those that will moon, but Cardano has built a virtue out of doing things differently. This is due to the fact that since their creation, the prices of many digital assets have soared by orders of magnitude, and many more are predicted to do the same in the years to come. Of fact, the price of Cardano ADA is anticipated to skyrocket soon. Cardano ADA is a well-known blockchain-based network with the capacity to function on its mainnet. It is one of the top 10 crypto assets by market cap and is generally viewed as having one of the highest growth rates given how quickly technology is developing. It also intends to compete with products like Ethereum by creating a sizable blockchain ecosystem. By utilizing mathematical principles, Cardano sets itself apart from other competing blockchains. Its consensus mechanism and distinctive multi-layer architecture have made it one of the busiest and most active digital assets in the cryptocurrency space so far. ADA is a realistic investment option for gains of 15 times, as it has always been demonstrated. The market cap is severely negative and the crypto winter has arrived. The overwhelming concern is perplexing traders and those asking which alternative coins to use. Should we continue holding the one that should be sold in order to prevent a loss? Well, that's wildcard amusing. The answer to each of them seems to be Donald. Depending on various viewpoints. No doubt. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform, and it claims that its main objective is to enable visionaries, innovators, and change-makers to bring about beneficial global change. It is a project that is incredibly underrated, but, at the same time, they have smart contracts, but we are still in the waiting period for other improvements like Hydro. Due to its extensive use cases, ADA is the 8th most valuable technology. The addition of smart contracts to the Cardano platform turned out to be a crucial driver. This explains the vast majority of the recent over 10-fold increase in ADA. With the addition of smart contracts, there were countless options, from deforest and addies to anything a chosen developer focused on quality and speed with one. However, as the euphoria surrounding smart contracts fades, ADA has been unimpressive for traders, to say the least, moving inside a narrow range and even printing lower. However, those discussions have long since died out. There have been discussions regarding a potential big swing to go past its all-time high of $3 and a bi-continuous pattern. Some professionals. What is left of Cardano is an unstable coin that has extremely solid fundamentals and a lot of excitement, but is having trouble surviving. The first blockchain to be established on peer-reviewed research is Cardinal. Rather than attempting to enter the market first, Charles Hoskinson, the project's founder, has been given careful consideration by the folks behind the Cardano cryptocurrency. Being the first is not as important as doing it correctly and developing a system that people will use. This is one among the factors contributing to Cardano's struggles. Investors who want immediate or instant results will not like its calm and steady strategy. People purchased the rumor and sold the news, which contributed to the ADA coin price decline, while the smart contract functionality fell short of some expectations. With their quick processing times and low fees, numerous other smart contract cryptocurrency, including Solana, have surpassed them in market share. Last year, a number of cryptos outperformed Cardano, but more lately, Cardano has been one of the few to achieve advances. Cardano is still far from its peak, but there are many reasons to be excited about what may come next. It can go as high as 15 eggs. Despite in September 2021, Cardano software engineer Sebastian Nago predicted that the release date for the IOHK is Hydra upgrade will occur between 6 and 12 months later. This improvement would greatly increase the value of the cryptocurrency in 2022. Cardano hopes to return to the $3 pricing point at which we are now at an all-time high. Then, it will require some encouraging news and hydrogen. That's the good news it needed, according to other enhancements, it seems. When asked if Hydro was a Layer 2 scaling option in the beginning of November, Charles Hoskinson responded, "We're going to keep putting resources to Hydro. Due to the high commercial priority, we have been attempting to identify some teams so we can halt the workstream. And it will be crucial that we were able to offload a significant portion of the transaction traffic that will be generated by all the incoming apps. If everything goes according to plan, the Cardano network might eventually handle up to 1 million transactions per second. Take Visa into account, which conducts about 24,000 transactions every second. It is a significant improvement in scalability. It would not take long for Cardano to surpass them and market cap as a result of Hydro's potential price estimates for Cardano before the end of the year range from slightly more than $2 to $4.31. This is assuming and only assuming that Cardano were able to deliver transaction speeds 15 times faster than Solana and 41 times faster than Visa. A cryptocurrency specialist claims that Cardano might be a faster, safer, higher, and deeper blockchain. However, I am almost positive that it cannot have all of these qualities and less expensive. Ultimately, because to the nature of distributed decentralized systems, Cardano would have higher expenses if it were to become technologically more advanced than Ethereum. Of course, the idea that Cardano would trade $15 by the end of 2022 sounds absurd. That simply cannot happen. ADA has been trading above the $1 level since mid-February, indicating that it would take awful news to drive it below this artificial floor price. Plus, the price can increase by 15 times. Therefore, it appears that buying at the current price wouldn't be a terrible move on the part of speculative investors given the likelihood of Hydro raising its transaction speed in. Although some might want to wait until after the launch drops in order to analyze what Cardano's future holds, speculative investors believe that purchasing crypto before launch makes a lot of sense. The Vessel hard fork is still one of the network's most eagerly awaited updates. The Basho phase on the network's roadmap, which is where the blockchain is anticipated to reach, is known as a result of the upgrade, which recently passed through the testnet successfully. Based on a report from the IOG team, we are pleased to announce that the IOG team successfully forked the Cardano testnet today at 2020 UTC. This is a critical next step on the road to the mainnet vessel renovation. The crew also stated that the vessel renovation is the most extensive project they have ever taken on with community participation. With all the excitement around the hard fork, Cardano holders should be prepared for some major news. More than some users might anticipate, the hard fork will enable Cardano to use and create a new class of tokens, namely non-custodial stable currencies and stateful tokens. Users will start to see the first solutions created using the new functionalities on the hard fork as developers become more familiar with them. Cardano wallets will also begin operating in a new way because they will need to alter the way they manage tokens. A number of ideas for improvements to the network's overall performance and throughput will also be made to Cardano. Even if the hard fork has been delayed twice, there are still plenty of opportunities after its launch on the mainnet. Before releasing it, the development team is working tirelessly to ensure everything is flawless. Many cryptocurrencies are inwardly focused, only able to address issues within the cryptocurrency community or are decentralized finance initiatives that serve to produce more crypto tokens. Cardano has global relationships with organizations and governments with the goal of transforming lives through blockchain technology. People are working on the Cardano Foundation, which is just one piece of the puzzle, in 15 countries across 4 continents. Only if you give Cardano ADA a chance to succeed will it be able to multiply your investment by 15 times. However, as usual, feel free to share your opinions in the comment area. Remember to tick the subscribe and notification buttons as well.